Hey guys, it's Rhonda and Jim. And we're bringing you content once again from the Dallas RV Supersale Show.
Today we're going to show you two different types of fifth wheels, an Alliance Paradigm and a Forest River Wildcat.
And we put in two smaller options for those of y'all who like smaller trailers. We are going to show you a TAG and we're going to show you a little guy Mini Max. So stick around and find out what we saw at the show.
Check it out. So this has got the mid kitchen with the front bath, I think. Is that a half bath?
Let's find out. What's behind door number one? Number one and number two.
Got your dinette here.
It's a nice little sink. You don't really have it. You have some under sink storage, but not.
Solid surface countertops, residential fridge.
Tons of storage.
Big microwave.
Nice coffee bar with plenty of storage below it.
Big oven.
Shall I? There we go. Nice deep drawers. Huge drawers on this island. Okay. Nice.
And then soft close. Yep.
Kinda. Soft close with hinges.
You got your coffee bar here.
See?
Look
This
at
is
these.
what I was talking about. Just a rail.
Little touches.
Little touches, you know?
Little touches.
I need a handrail. I'm not always balanced.
Some drawers.
Yeah, these drawers are great.
And look, it's another handrail.
See? That's all I ask. Just give me something on the kids' side.
Now this is a living room.
This is the living room that we dream of. I love this. Giant fireplace.
And it pulls out with behind storage.
It's a good TV watching area. You stretch out.
I would dare to say that there's not a bad seat in the house.
No, these are, even if you sat here, you can still see the TV okay.
Nice cabinets here.
See the flip tops. Okay.
In here. You've got a window here.
Oh yeah, I guess it would. Let's see what these look like. Oh, nice amount of storage in there.
Mm-hmm. And I see the
I
drawer.
like that. I wouldn't be slamming doors. Oh, it's got the storage behind the fireplace again.
Yep.
Like that. Did we check out how comfy these?
Oh, they're nice.
I could sit here and watch TV. Only Mr. Rockefeller. I like that.
Yeah. Back in the Alliance to film the bedroom. Just so you have reference. Okay.
Ooh, that one beat.
Farm style door. Barn door.
All right, this one's got outlets and USB outlets on each side of the bed. You got a shelf.
I like the window above the head. I like that to let out more light.
And you've got blackout shades. That's
Yep.
important. Now, those always confuse me. Why do you have a giant hole of a cubby? What do you use that for? You know?
Oh, people coming in. We gotta wrap it up.
All right. Cabinetry. Soft close, like that. Okay, good size drawers. This is one of those pop-ups.
Yep.
So, okay. Got a seat over here. Put your shoes on.
So your cabinet for washer dryer or closet.
Yeah. Let's see. Deep cabinetry right there.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, these are sticky. All right. Nice deep drawers.
Nice
Good
shower.
Pretty sink here. Yeah, this is plenty of room to go potty. There's your cabinetry for your medicines or toiletries or whatnot.
I like the countertop.
I love these poured countertops. They're real pretty. these little drawers, good for hairbrushes or pot tools or whatever you use. Oh, under cabinet. Enough for a wastebasket, which is perfect.
You like the backsplash though.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh, this is very comfortable.
It's very wide open.
Oh, better get me out of here quick. I got old Western. Let's see what there. Oh, very nice. You can get your wastebasket in there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice amount of storage. Hand tray.
But you know what? For a fifth wheel, it's small refrigerator.
Yeah, that's the size we have, isn't it?
This is smaller because
Yeah,
it's a three-way,
Oh, okay. Yeah, if you get less space, that's true.
and then you get the tiny oven.
Now, is this smaller or the same size? Same size. That's what we have. Yeah, you get the smaller Greystone oven. Which ain't mad. I mean, we have one and it works out for me. I can make whatever I need to.
I don't like the gold handles.
Oh, I just realized they're kind of a light coppery kind of color.
Mm-hmm.
I love this black stainless sink.
It's got that frost that you like.
I like that. It's privacy for your cabinetry and your pantry, but did you see it? Black stainless? It's very pretty.
And they give you the old style thermostat? That makes no sense.
Even we have a digital.
Well, I'm assuming it probably has something to do with the...
This is nice though, a nice touch if you need an extra seat.
Mm-hmm.
You pop that up and put somebody at the end. I like that. All right. Ooh, upward, upward. All right. Okay, let's go in here. We got a pass-through bath, so this is kind of cool. I can back all the way over here. Nice little counter space. It's a small bathroom, so
It has some really nice finishes, but
it's got
it's
nice
not...
touches.
There's something about it, though.
Oh, it's
Here.
still awkward.
Hold that.
Okay.
So I've never been in a radius shower.
Only once, a long time ago, in a hotel. You can do the spinny spin, an elbow room. Not fantastical, doable for a trip.
Yeah, I mean, it'll get the job done.
I mean,
But
okay.
as a large man,
Here's the question: if we found a fifth wheel that had everything in it except for it had a radius shower.
it's not a deal breaker.
Okay, here you go.
Meet you on the other side.
All right, that's a little tough. All right,
So it's got the north-south bed,
queen bed. You got
tons of storage.
absolutely tons of. This all goes through. It's all one big cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
Tons. Big drawers for tons of clothes. You could go out for a long time in something like this.
Spot for TV
I
over
love the window
here.
up front. And it has
Privacy shade,
a privacy shade, which is,
but it still lets some light through.
oh, you could always do something to cover that. Nice cabinetry right here for storage. There's
Little
a cubby.
nooks.
Does it have a cubby down
Yep,
there? Ooh.
little nook.
All right, see, this is one of those things that bothers me. It has a really wide side table here and a really short side table there. It's
Well, and the other thing too is the bed is not centered to the window.
well, I just also bumped it. I don't know. Yeah, the bed is right on the platform, so.
Yeah, they've had this one on sale for a while.
Yeah,
I've actually seen it cheaper than what they're advertised here.
yeah, I know. I don't always take show passes. I like this little peek out window here.
Oh, yeah,
It lets light in, but if you happen to be trying to get your clothes out here and you can't go through the other side, you know, you're not.
well, the other thing too is
Running
that
naked
in the
around
middle
the
of the
window.
in the middle of the night, and you hear some noise. You can just go to this window.
Yeah, you can peek out.
Check it out. Now this is interesting. They threw a fridge out here, and you have very limited storage space for a fifth wheel.
Oh.
And you got your little, your wet kind of.
Is that just all your innards and
Yep,
stuff?
that's where all your stuff is at.
Well, at least they have this. You can put your most used tools right here. You don't have to set up and tear down.
Oh, it's a tag.
Hmm?
It's a tag.
A tag?
Yeah.
What does that
But
mean?
this is your kitchen.
What does tag mean?
It's the brand.
Oh. Yeah, you got your 2 burners, your little microwave, which is pretty much the size we have in our...
Here's your refrigerator right here.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? This gets you out, you know?
This is cute for people who are just wanting one step up from a tent. This
Yep.
is perfect for their outdoors room.
It even has air conditioning.
Oh yeah. Mm.
But check out your window.
Yeah.
You spin it.
Oh, well, see that nice privacy.
Here's your storage right here.
You got little hubbies right up to your right.
Yep. And this is the...
Look at this. Got a nice window right here.
It's got a roof rack on it.
Go this small, but
No, but I mean, if you've got a Jeep and you want to go camping,
hunting or fishing in specific.
this one gets you inside, and you get wet bath.
Probably. So they got the potty in it?
Yep. And you get check out this tiny refrigerator, and a freezer. For this size, this is incredible.
And you've got a dinette, but it's also your sleeping area, which is nice.
And I would guess that this air conditioner would freeze you out.
Yeah, you would
It has a better fan than ours.
most things we use.
It's also more expensive than ours. But I mean, look, you've got your LP port, TV mount.
Look at the rugged tires on this thing now.
Oh, I know.
This is for if you're going a little bit more off-road.
Let's see, we got a trailer hitch on the back.
That's to put your bike rack.
Yeah. Little guy trailer.